Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2022 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic with 11,720 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse and navigation. It's been upgraded with Harley-Davidson rear fender covers and a Sirius XM antenna. A paragon of power and comfort, the Tri-Glide offers performance and luxury of the electric glide on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Tri-Glide puts 100 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,203 pounds and has a 28.9 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this